Hi everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how I prune my roses, but before I do that I'd just like to say a massive thank you to all my subscribers that I've had in the past week or so. So thank you very much for that. Let's get into the pruning. So first and foremost, remove all branches that are growing inwards. So here we go. Okay, that looks pretty clear. Ideally you want a goblet shape or the crown to be free in the middle, no branches growing inwards, get rid of them all. Next you want to be on to taking off dead, diseased or damaged branches. Any crossing branches, you need to get rid of those as well. So here we go. Okay, I think I've got all that done. So now is the initial pruning of the plant itself. When I'm pruning, what I'm looking for is a little node like that, pointing away from the crown of the plant. And ideally, what you want to do is just chop it just above where it's growing, and do that for all the branches around the plant. So here we go. Go. So maybe bring the levels down a little bit so it's equal all around. Just feel for the nodes again. There's another one there. And this one, we'll just take that off there. Okay, that's about it really. So next what I like to do is put a mulch down so that it adds nutrients throughout the year for the rose. Here we have just some multi-purpose compost, and all I'm going to do is cover the plant around the base of the plant, avoiding covering the crown, otherwise you may get some runners. Okay, so once you've got to that, your rose is ready for the summertime and you should get plenty of flowers. If you keep on top of the deadheading, then the flowers will be on show probably till September time. And just before I go, I'd just like to say a big thank you once again to all my subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, head over to my channel and give me a subscribe. Thank you very much. So thank you very much for watching the video, and I must apologise for the noise. As you can see in the video, I'm right next to a main road, so there's not much I could do about the noise. Any comments or ideas how I can improve on this channel, please drop me a message below and I'll definitely answer any questions if you have any. Thank you very much. Bye.